everyone, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I'm going to show you how you can make multiple posts for social media or different platforms really quickly in no time at all, and you don't have to have an arty bone in your body. So without further ado, I'll X myself out and we'll go. Canva's got this great option and it's called Quick Create. So what you want to do is go to your social media icon on the blue part of the dashboard, and we're going to go to Quick Create. So in this you can create multiple different projects all at once, all at the same time, and the options are like Instagram post, story, Facebook, Twitter post, Pinterest pin, email header, LinkedIn post, Facebook cover. So you just pick what you want. So I'll go Instagram post, story, Pinterest pin, and I might go email header, and then you obviously go continue. So the next part of this is it's got all these different templates preloaded, which you probably think, oh, that's not my sort of kind of thing, but don't worry, we'll get to that in a minute. The next part is number 2, your text. So I'm going to pretend this is for my free Canva course for beginners. And then has the option for additional text. I'll go enroll now to save your spot. And so you'll notice that the top header text or main text is got 3125 highlighted in red. So it obviously prefers like a 25 character count, where in that additional text you can use up to 45. So I'll go continue. Now it's automatically gone to my uploads file where I've uploaded all my photos. As this is, I'm using the free account I've got, not the pro account. It just grabs them from your uploads. If you go to that, you can choose from your own desktop or PC and open it up and load it in. So because it's a free Canva course, I thought I'd like something with a computer, so I'll go that photo. If you had Canva Pro, you can add your logo, but if you really wanted to add it, you can add it later on, and I'll show you how you can do that. So we'll go continue, and it's just automatically popped in the photo. So now it has templates. So this is modern, there's simple, fun, geometric. Then if you arrow across, there's elegant, which is actually quite beautiful, and organic. So actually don't mind the organic one. So we'll go elegant and go continue. Now it automatically has a palette that it's chosen itself here. That's my palette, which on the free account you're allowed to upload 3 different colors into your brand area on the free Canva account. The actual image, it's actually taken a whole lot of colors from the image palette itself. So if you click on that, it's decided to make a few different ones. So if you go shuffle, it'll just change them a little bit. Shuffle again. Actually, I'll go like that. Shuffle again. So each color in that palette, it seems to choose the next one. So if you I actually think it's quite a clever idea. Shuffle again and it's gone the brown. So I'll go to the first one. We'll stick with that one. So the next thing, or you can choose one of their pre-grouped color templates. So the next thing, I'll just go finish, and then it pops up and it says you can download as is, so you get 4 all at once ready to use, or see my collection, which I sort of just decide to do because you might just want to tweak it a little bit, add like maybe your business URL. Anyway, so we'll go, and it's not in the top, it's here in design. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This one was from the last one I tried. So I might go to the Pinterest pin and just say I want to tweak that. And you could actually, now here's where like you might want to just change the text. You might want to make it bold. You might want to make it just that bit bigger. And it's not a lot of work, because the whole idea is to keep it all very simple and quick and easy. And you can change it to white. You can put your URL for your website at the bottom. You can move it, adjust it, you can make it bigger, and you can have a call to action. Then you just go download, and then if you want, you can just download actually here. You can download just from here, or you can download them all separately or tweak them all separately. So I hope that's helped for you to create your content really quickly. And yeah, pop in the comments below how you go and what you think of the new Quick and Create from Canva. And be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.